Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the Lunar Tiger from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute tiger, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a soft curve right there across. And then I'm going to round off the corners. And then give a little wobble and then bring it to the center. A little wobble and bring it to the center. Right there. Then from there, I'm going to bring a straight line down. And I'm going to start to draw the snout area. So I'll bring this down a little bit more to about right here. And curve out, and then curve out on this side. So this is my center. And then about right here, I'm going to connect it with a curve. And then I'm going to go on this side. Actually, you know what? Let's come up here. So I'm going to imagine this coming through right here. And I think it's a little bit easier. And then I'm going to go up, do a little angle, and then I'm going to round it off and bring it all the way back to here. There. So this is snout area for our tiger. And then just for a little detail, I'm going to come right here and just draw this marking, this color. I think it gives it a little bit more definition for the snout area right there. And then let's come over here and we're going to draw the eyes. So right next to it, right in this area, I'm going to draw a big circle. There. And then right next to this part over this side, I'm going to draw another circle. And so it's going to be at a slant. So notice the snout. So go right here at a slant. I'm going to come right here. And this circle right here is going to be more of an oval. And connect. There. But we just want to make sure it's at the same height. From there, let's put a highlight right here and shade this all in. And another highlight right here. So this eye is an oval because this tiger is drawn more of a little bit of a slight side view. So then from there, I'm going to come over here and in this area, I'm going to connect with a curve right here. So we're going to start to build a head, and let's bring this curve up. Nice big tiger head. Then from there, let's see here, let's come down. Let's come down here. So about in this area, we're going to go around. So back and forth, I'm going to start to build it. So let's come back up here so we know this is how big we want it. And let's go up nice and high. And so this is our center. So about right here, do a little wobble and start to come down. And before I finish this curve, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this big curve for the head. But I'm going to stop right here because I need to pop out an ear. So kind of at this angle right here, come about right here and draw a curve. Right at the eye. And then I'm going to come up, round it off, and pop out this ear. Round off the tip and bring it down. So kind of creating this rounded off triangle right here. And whatever space you have left, just finish it off. And let's give some detail. Let's come right here and in. And then the other ear will pop out about right here. So same thing, round off the tip and bring it down. Okay, so then let's continue this big head. So let's say about right here. Let's bring it down. And let's come over here. So just remember, you're still building this big shape right here. So just go back, take a look. And in this area right here, we're going to bring it down a little bit. So about right here, we'll bring it down a little bit for his tiger mane. Bring this down. Then we're going to create this little weird shape right here and connect. There. So it all makes sense. It's kind of weird right here. It all makes sense when we start putting in all the stripes. Okay, so then from there, let's come back here before I forget to draw some whiskers. I know it looks pretty odd right now, but it'll all come together. So 3 whiskers here as well. And now for the markings. So I'm going to come right here where their ear is, and I'm going to lightly follow this curve and bring it up right here, and then the 2 main stripes right underneath the eye. I'm going to go up and 1 more right next to it, and I'll shade this in. So the markings are very important for this tiger to bring it, to make all these shapes make sense. And then another one right here, very lightly. Separate the colors, and then some markings around the eye. Okay, so now we've surrounded the eye, gives the eye more definition. And then right at the top right here, so this is our center, but right here is this, I'm going to do a little line right here. And I'm going to go up, right here, curve down to create this marking at the top. So it's almost like a crosshair. And I'll shade this all in black. There, starting to make sense, right? Starting to come together. And then on the ear right here, a little bit more marking if you like, and here as well. And here. There. So hopefully that makes it look more like the tiger now. And then let's go ahead and draw the body. So nice little oval body. So come about right here and here. Find this area. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big oval. And connect. There. And let's see here. And let's come over about here. Lightly. Separate the chest area from the back. And the tail about right here. Round it off. And bring it in. And then for the feet, let's come right underneath in this area. Give it some space, and about right here, I'm just going to draw this big curve for these gumdrop feet and connect. Then another one about right here and connect. And let's see here, put one about right here. And so then I'm going to put the next one, the other one, right about right here. So that's why I need a little bit more space right here to make sure I have room for this foot right there. So now we have 4 and an angle right underneath. And then for some markings again on the tail. So you can make this tiger the orange golden tiger or the white tiger. It's all up to you when you color it. And let's give it some more stripes. And I'll add another little heart right here. Another stripe heart right there to make it my just so cute lunar tiger from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. I know it's a little bit complicated over here, but hopefully I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.